Hello everybody and welcome back. Here's how you can create an AI animation of some cats fighting, for instance, by generating images of those fighting cats, and then we're going to, generate images which will then be animated. So the first platform that I use to generate images of the fighting cats will be ideogram.ai, and then type anything, for example, two cats, one chubby orange cat and another one calico cat are seen fighting. And then let's say if you want to do vertical video editing, so pick 9:16 as the aspect ratio. And then for the visibility, make it private. Nope. Alright, public with there. For the model, pick 2.0. For the color palette, you can actually choose. So let's choose this one. Maybe add another prompt such as at night. And then click on generate to generate the images. It will take some time. These images would do. So this one. Yeah, use this one. Well, you can save it by right-clicking, save image as, and then name it cat. And then for this one, right-click, save image as cat 2, just like this. And then let's animate the images of these fighting cats. Simply head over to pixverse.ai so that you can turn the generated images of those cats fighting into, separate videos. So to do this, simply click on the image icon and then go to downloads. Pick this first image first, and then for the duration 8 seconds will be good. And then click on create. The prompt will be two cats fighting, just like so, as simple as that, and then click on create. Alright, the video is being generated now. You can do the same using the same prompt and the same duration, but with the other image that we generated. Wow, like that. Just like so. And then when you're done, click on download. But like if you want it to be watermark free, you have to be some sort of member. So alright, download the watermarked one, and then we can just crop it. Do the same for the other image of those cat fighting, and you're done generating videos of these cats fighting from AI generated images. Looking fancy. Thank you for watching, guys. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. From me, it's good day. Ciao!